Introducing Adaptive Focus for News Images. With Adaptive Focus, highlight what matters, because your images should always tell the story. Perfect on every screen, from mobile to desktop. And the best part? No manual cropping, just set it and forget it. The Adaptive Focus is available for all news cover images. Next to the picture, you have the option to set the focal point of the image. Click inside the source image and move the blue dot to the place you want to be the focus of the image. Test where the focal point works best to bring over your story on all screens. And you are ready to go to publish your article. Your news cover image will now show optimally on all different widgets. The news widget shows your news image with the chosen focal point to bring over the story how you want it. Adaptive Focus brings perfect framing across every screen and will make your life easier.